Solar-powered HVAC systems are heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems that use solar energy to power their operation. They offer a sustainable and potentially cost-saving alternative to traditional HVAC systems that rely on electricity from the grid. How they work. Solar-powered HVAC systems typically use photovoltaic (PV) panels to convert sunlight into electricity. The electricity can then be used to power the air conditioner, furnace, or heat pump directly, or it can be stored in batteries for later use. There are three main types of solar-powered HVAC systems. Direct current, DC, solar air conditioners. These systems use DC electricity from the solar panels to power the compressor directly. Alternating current, AC, solar air conditioners. These systems use an inverter to convert the DC electricity from the solar panels into AC electricity, which can then be used to power the compressor. Hybrid solar air conditioners. These systems can switch between using solar power and grid power, depending on the availability of sunlight. Benefits of solar-powered HVAC systems. Reduced energy costs. Solar-powered HVAC systems can significantly reduce your energy bills, especially in areas with high electricity rates. Environmental benefits. Solar energy is a renewable resource that does not produce greenhouse gases or other pollutants. Increased energy independence. By generating your own electricity, you can become less reliant on the grid and protect yourself from power outages. Things to consider before installing a solar-powered HVAC system. Upfront costs. Solar-powered HVAC systems typically have a higher upfront cost than traditional HVAC systems. However, the long-term savings on energy costs can offset this cost over time. System size. The size of the solar panel system you need will depend on the size of your home, your climate, and your energy usage. Sunlight availability. Solar-powered HVAC systems are most effective in areas with a lot of sunshine. Government incentives. Many governments offer incentives, such as tax credits and rebates, to help offset the cost of installing a solar-powered HVAC system. If you are considering installing a solar-powered HVAC system, it is important to consult with a qualified solar installer to discuss your options and determine if solar power is right for you. Please check description on HVAC books that are on the subject or related.